Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on this one with 3 lines. Now click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to place it somewhere else, you can always do that by holding this line and dragging your app whenever you wish to. You can also click Home button to place it over here. If you wish to use it to overlay other apps, just tap on the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to go back from this mode, click on this icon over here at the top right corner or go into background apps and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!